Hi guys, today I will explain how to add any custom EVN blockchain to Trust Wallet. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open, in order to add any custom blockchain, tap on the icon which is on the right top, and there you have to tap on this plus icon which is on the right top. This one is for importing a crypto, but we want to add an EVN blockchain, so that's why we will click on the action network. Here, the first thing will be enter the name of that chain. Next one is symbol. Third one is node URL. And the last one is explorer URL. So first, let me write the name. I will add big third network. So that's the I write the name. The next thing is I will write the symbol. After entering the symbol, here I need to enter the node URL. After entering the node URL, the last one is I need to enter the explorer URL. After entering everything, the last thing is tap on the option import. So wait for a while, and you can see my network has been imported successfully. Let's go back and have a look. I'll tap on the option manage crypto, and I will search for that one. And here you can see the Bitcoin network. If I tap on it, here I can send and receive everything from Bitcoin. And it was the way by which you can add any custom, easy and network to Trust Wallet.